A trading robot that promises fast profits hands-free? Let's break down Binomatix and see if it's actually worth your time. Welcome to How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Today, we're reviewing Binomatix, a trading bot making some bold claims. Binomatix is marketed as an AI-powered trading bot that supposedly scans markets, places trades for you, and generates passive income, all with minimal input. It sounds ideal, but here's what we found. Binomatix has a clean interface and beginner-friendly setup. It connects with certain brokers and the automated dashboard does feel smooth. But here's the issue. There's zero verified performance data, no clear information on how the AI works, and many reviews raise red flags about withdrawal problems. Also, it's often linked to high-risk offshore brokers. Binomatix feels more like a marketing product than a reliable trading solution. So is Binomatix worth your time? Not really. Stick with platforms that offer control, data, and real support. Thanks for watching How to Literally, and see you in the next one.